Hello children. So once again a very warm welcome to all of you in my class English Literature, and I hope you have a very nice time during these holidays and you have spent well. So now we will start again with our revision work. I hope you have I have a hope that you have completed all your projects and the learning part also. I hope you have learned and revised the lessons according to the videos or according to your learning caliber. So now we will start with the lesson number 4, that is Satya's Watch Out. Because in the last video I have completed lesson number 2 revision part. I hope the revision which I gave you was understand. I hope you have understood that. This was the revision part, that is revision part 1 lesson number 2. This was the moral of the story. If we will help others, one day they will also help us in our difficult situation. But if we don't help anyone, then in our difficult times no one will help us. So you all know that in this lesson we have learned about the helping part. That was a little hen and she has done a very grateful, commendable job by growing the seeds, and then after growing she has done and she has made the food for her family and her children. So in this video I have done the singular and the plural part. Then I have completed some different create sentences. These are the unjumbled sentences and you have to jumble it. Then I have done with the countable and uncountable noun. These are countable and these are uncountable noun. So this was the part which we have done, and this was the last thing, that fill in the blanks with the words given in this. So this is given in the book. According to that I have taken few more examples for you. So now we will start with chapter number 4, that is Satya's Watch Out. Already we have learned about this, that here is a boy, that is Satya, and he lives with his family, and he is very naughty, and in this different kinds of he is doing different kinds of naughtiness, and that naughtiness is related to some different kinds of animals, like as he swings like spider, he leaps like langur, then he paddles like a duck and swims like a frog. So these are the different kinds of animals which we have talked about in this lesson. And then in this the question answers is also there. Yes or no? Question answers. I hope you are learning the question answers well. In the next video I will be giving you the syllabus of English literature. Then question answers again I will ask you, again I am explaining you once again so that you can revise the lesson once. Why does everybody laugh at Satya? Everybody laughed at Satya because he was full of marks, scratches and mud. Why everybody was laughing? Because he was full of marks, scratches and mud. Then the next question is, does the writer talk about animals in the story? Name the animals. Yes, the writer had talked about animals in the story. They were hare, deer, centipede, snake, spider, langur, monkey, duck, frog, lizard, goat and vulture. So these are the animals which we have heard in the story. The next question is Satya like someone you know? How is he or she like Satya? Yes, Satya is like someone I know. He is a boy He is a boy who can't sit at a place jumps here and there, talks a lot, wants to roam, R-O-A-M, that is roam, wants to play every time while eating, also goes here and there. So this is the answer number 3. Then question number 4, where does the story takes place? The story takes place in field, farms and different streams. Where does the what is this story about? The story is about a boy, Satya, who can't stay still. Then the last question, if we were Satya, what animal would you pretend to be like? If I am Satya, I would pretend to be like a monkey who jumps and like a vulture who flies high. So this was the small story about Satya. And then in this lesson we have many exercises done. It's like deer, you have to describe the movement of the deer. That deer sprints, snake slitters, langur leaps. So these are the things. Then here are some words you have to see from this picture and you have to tick the correct word from the words given in the bracket. Sorry. Then the next part is circle the action words. Action words. What are action words? I have already explained you that when in the picture, what is this picture? This picture tells us about that this particular thing, this particular bird is painting. The second picture tells us about that he is punching. The third picture tells us about he is flying. The fourth picture tells us about that he is swimming. And the last picture tells us about that he is kicking. So these are action words where we came to know that what the action is going on. So this exercise is related to that only. Now we will move further. That is, underline the correct word. Here you have to choose the word and then you have to do it according to that. Then the next thing is, this is the writing and the listening part. So this we have already done. So we will not do it again. So this was the revision which we have done. And then please revise the revision part and learn the question answers, the exercises part, the dictation words, whatever we have done till now from the starting, so that you can, because in between I can take some surprise test also. One day before I will give you the prior notice for the surprise test and I will take in the next video I will give you the questions and then you have to do it that way with your parents. You sit with your parents and do that surprise test. And in the next video I will be giving you the syllabus also. So till then, please revise children. Thank you and have a nice day.